Every venture begins with an entrepreneur and their vision of a solution. This book is for entrepreneurs who want to grow their business beyond what they can accomplish alone. The book covers various strategies to grow the business, such as finding co-founders, hiring employees, partnering with other companies, leveraging advisors. The book has chapters that provide a sequence of steps for finding a co-founder, building an advisory board, finding early employees, and working with consultants, suppliers, and partners. The chapters outline how to find the right person, how much to disclose, crafting the offer, and tips for building successful business relationships. Additionally, the Forming an Advisory Board chapter outlines the different decisions that advisors help with and common types of advisory boards. The book also covers how to activate your network and come to a working relationship that addresses important issues such as compensation, confidentiality, intellectual property, ownership of customer relationships, and how to end the arrangement. The book will inspire and support founders who have stepped onto the entrepreneurial roller coaster. They're doing the hard work of changing the world. It's never dull, and it's never easy.